Bollywood actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who is also a brand ambassador of Smile Train, attended the Smile Train India event in Mumbai. The actress was at the event to celebrate free cleft surgeries treatment of 5 lakh children. Smile Train is an international children's charity that provides 100% free cleft repair surgery and comprehensive cleft care to children in over 85 countries. Aishwarya spoke about her daughter Aradhya and her late father's birthday on 20th November as the Smile Day they had decided. Aishwarya's speech was inspiring, so one cannot miss it. So let's hear the highlights of the lady.
I feel blessed to have had the opportunity to be a part of making a difference in the lives of so many children born with a cleft. And I'm happy to see so many children treated. I've had the opportunity on various occasions with Smile Train to have interacted with the children post their surgeries, and we all talk about at our various meets about how the kids get a new lease of life and get to enjoy all the privileges that we all do on a day-to-day basis of this blessed life, and it's really, truly very, very fulfilling to experience that firsthand with the children. But all this would not have been possible without the dedication and the work of all you doctors. Thank you so much for partnering with Smile Train, all the nurses, the speech therapists, the orthodontists, the workers on the ground, on the job. Thank you for your dedication and your continuous efforts to help the dreams of so many children and their families come true. And by providing cleft care to all these children, we are actually able to give them a wonderful life, and this in itself is a blessing for each of us. I have been fortunate to have also had the opportunity of sharing on this, my journey, my family's participation. My parents and my daughter also recently, albeit very early in her life, has gotten introduced to the work that we do together with Smile Train, and I'm so thankful, so grateful to God that I've been able to share in this experience and get them to recognize and get them to participate in such effective work with children, I'd say world over, but at this point currently very, very strongly even here in India. Last year, Smile Train very, very generously offered to honor my father, the late Mr. Krishna Raj Rai, by announcing his birth date, the 20th of November, as the Day of Smiles. Thank you so much, because this meant so much to us. My father worked with me with Smile Train, and you know, you all who know me over the years know that I like to always do something more effective and more concrete on every personal occasion actually of our family. That's what my parents always taught me. So these things don't get announced, but we've always done it. So when and my daughter's birthday is on the 16th of November and dad's is the 20th. So the year before, in fact, was the first time, his last, that I celebrated Aradhya and dad's birthday together. So this year was particularly emotional for us as a family, and I really wanted to do something very, very effective. And with Daddy, it had to be about smiles. It had to be about celebrating everything that he has taught me, everything that we have passed down through me to Aradhya. It had to be about bringing a smile to people's lives, and we have worked together with Smile Train. So thank you so much that we have together decided that the 20th of November will be the day of smiles.
The actress wore a simple yet stunning white anarkali suit. She was seen rocking her pink hair, which she will be donning in Atul Manjrekar's upcoming film Fanney Khan.